Hey, what's going on everybody? You know who it is, JJ. You know we back at it with another video. This video is probably gonna be it might be a part one, maybe part two. It might be like a 3-part video. You never know these things, but yeah, we're gonna get into it and get to talking about some stuff today. So let's get into it. So let's talk about it. I get this question a lot. Like people ask, like, do I offer warranties on the vehicles? And somebody answered it in like one of the comments. No, all the vehicles I sell are sold as is. I let people, bring a mechanic with you. That's my first thing. Like, hey, do you know? Answer them like, do you know anything about cars? Did you read the ad? Because I listed everything about the ad in the car. Do you know somebody that's a mechanic? Bring their mechanic with you. If you want to take the car to a mechanic shop, we can test drive and take it to the mechanic. We can take it to AutoZone. You can always take, if the car has a check engine light on or something for some reason, you can always just take the car to AutoZone. They'll check it for free, so we can do that. But a lot of what happens is, like, if you're not a major, like a big dealership, like, you have to offer third-party company warranties. And man, when you offer these third-party company warranties, man, they don't be any good. So this video is probably going to be, I'm gonna break this video down into probably 3-4 parts, because I'm gonna find some of these little warranty companies and just show you how some of them different from each other. Because a lot of times these third-party companies, like, it'll say it'll cover the engine, transmission, and stuff like that, but it really doesn't. It covers like parts of like the engine. Like, okay, say if like maybe like you had like your engine went bad because your crankshaft sensor or something like that, or water pump, like that. They'll cover the small things, like, so it'll show like it'll be a big old warranty, and then it'll be like, hey, it'll show like it covers the engine, transmission, and it'll show all this stuff. But then it'll be like in the little small letters, like what it really covers. Like, it'll cover like these components and stuff like that, and parts like that. I have to find you these warranties, because that's what I used to do, offer the warranty. Like, but I mean, if you want to sell the car and you want to give them the warranty just like as a peace of mind, just something like you throw in, like maybe like you added little price, like you added a little bit to the price of your warranty, and you just throw it in, just if you're just throwing it in. I mean, you can always do that as well. I mean, just throw it in just for it. But that's the but it's nothing wrong with it. But you can just throw it in, because I know dealers that do that just throw it in, like, they put an extra price on the car, or whatever they're selling it for is already included with the warranty. So when they sell the car, it gives the customer a little bit more peace of mind. But thing is, with these third-party companies, like, I done ran into it, like, selling the warranties and also giving it to them. It's like, like I said, when the car actually has a problem, man, them third-party companies get a person to run around, and then, then after they can't get anything settled with the warranty company, who do they call? They call you. So now they calling and griping at you because the warranty company, it did you told them, like, hey, the warranty covers this, and this. But a lot of times people not going to read everything and the stuff like that, because all people hear when you tell people stuff, all they really hear, like, like, hey, this covers the engine, and you can tell them, like, it covers the engine parts, and it covers this. All the person hear, like, it covers the engine, and like, it covers the transmission parts, and it covers this. But all they heard was it covers the transmission, so they don't hear about the little small things. So then you run into a bigger problem, because now the warranty company, they're not fixing anything, and then the customer calling, you're not going to fix anything, because you sold the car you didn't sell the car as is, but you sold it with the warranty for the warranty company. And then a lot of times too, these warranties, you have to drive so many miles. It has to be so many miles driven on the car. You have to take the car into like a ASE certified shops, like bigger Toyotas, Amcos and stuff like that. You have to take them into bigger shops. And a lot of times these warranties, they want you to get the car serviced after you purchase the used car, so it can be like registered in the system, like places where you go get the miles, and it's registered all in the system. And so the company wants to be able to pull those records, like, hey, this is where you got the car service, and I've been getting the car service and stuff from this part. And also too, if they look up their car and they see like it hasn't had any real even previous records done to it, or anything, like they'll, like, a lot of times these warranties just basically just smoking, like really just smoke and mirrors. Like, they're really just you just basically buying a piece of paper. You're buying a piece of paper because a lot of times these warranties really don't be trying to cover anything. They try to find every reason why not to pay for the car. Like, oh, you didn't have the car long enough, or you didn't put enough miles on the car, or the person that you had touching the vehicle wasn't one of our respected people that we trust, or the dealer that you bought it from wasn't a dealer that gets their car serviced at the respected person that we do. It's a lot of stuff that works into avoiding those warranties. But I mean, if you're a person like you're out there selling the car, if you just want to, like, if your price is already included with the warranty and you just want to give people the warranty, just like, hey, this is like a free peace of mind, then hey, you do that. I'd rather not just, not deal with the headache, because a lot of times these warranty companies, man, I tell you, like, they really don't fix nothing. Like, even if you get warranties from bigger companies, they really don't try to fix anything. But a lot of times those people, like, you buy a Toyota and you buy an extended warranty and you keep getting your car serviced through Toyota. They know Toyota only one had their hands on it, or they know Chevy, Dodge and stuff only ones had their hands on it. Then more than likely they're gonna fix it. Compared to me, I sell the car and then you took the car to get the service from your uncle, and your uncle's record doesn't show up in their system, and then they don't fix anything, and now you run into a bigger issue. That's all it really is. You just want to limit your problems. Like, I'd rather just sell the car as is and let people know up front, like, hey, the car is sold as is. Bring the person with you, then offer them a warranty, and then the warranty doesn't fix anything, and now you looking like a bad guy, because now you basically sold this person a warranty and got extra money from them, and now the warranty company's not fixing it. You're not fixing it. Now you just really look like a, I don't cuss. I do cuss, but it's like rarely. Like, you'll hear me cuss every now and again, but I do my best try to not cuss, because I have kids, and kids, they pick up off of you, so I do my best try to not cuss, and my kids watch my videos all the time, so I don't cuss. Don't do my best try to not to cuss any, so they don't pick up anything that I say. But yeah, this is just gonna be a part one. It's gonna be more parts to this. Like I said, I'm gonna probably make this into a part 2, 3, because I'm gonna find some of these little warranty companies and then try to find a little paper that I used to use on a warranty company, and just show you the whole breakdown of like how like these warranties, like the loopholes and stuff like that they go through, so they don't fix anything for the customers. But yeah, if you haven't already, drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel. I will be giving you guys advice on everything. I'm gonna give you more advice on extended dealer warranties. I'm gonna give you more advice on all, like, everything. I'll just give you overall advice about the car business, car buying, warranties. I'm gonna give you advice about all that stuff. So just stay tuned in, stay subscribed to the channel, like the video, hit the notification bells. I drop videos Monday through Friday. And if you want to join the membership, I have a link in the description. It's 99 cents as the lowest tier membership, and then $4.99 is the highest tier membership. Sign up if you want to. If not, just keep watching the videos, keep dropping likes on the video, thumbs up if you can. I appreciate everything you guys do for me. I mean, man, I appreciate it, man. My channel's going up. I'm on the road to 2,000 subscribers, so help me reach 2,000 subscribers if you haven't already subscribed yet. It's a lot of great advice going to be given out on this channel, and you don't want to miss it. So stay tuned with me. Enjoy your weekend. Y'all have a great weekend, and peace. I'm out. Peace.